In commercial door hardware, doors are typically hung using conventional hinges, continuous hinges, or pivots. While continuous hinges are not as commonly used as conventional hinges, there are very good reasons to choose a continuous hinge over other hanging hardware. Continuous hinges extend the full length of the door, so they distribute the weight of the door evenly to the frame. This even weight distribution reduces the amount of stress normally associated at the top of the door and frame when conventional hinges are used. In addition, because continuous hinges are secured to the frame over the full height of the opening, a continuous hinge keeps the door in constant alignment, eliminating the chance for a sagging door. These characteristics mean continuous hinges are good choices for openings that are subject to a lot of use and abuse. And because a continuous hinge extends the full length of the frame, they can be used to replace conventional hinges on high abuse openings. Continuous hinges also eliminate the gap between the door and the frame. The absence of the gap helps prevent fingers from being pinched, making the pull side of the door safer, especially in facilities where children are present. There are two basic designs for continuous hinges: the pin and barrel continuous hinge and the geared continuous hinge. Let's look at the pin and barrel hinge first. Similar to conventional hinges, these hinges have two leaves joined by a pin. Like their conventional hinge cousins, pin and barrel continuous hinges are also available in different mounting types. The full mortise type, where the hinge is mounted on the edge of the door and in the frame rabbet, and the full surface type, where the hinge is mounted on the face of the door and frame, are the most common. By the way, please check with your manufacturer for the availability of any of the hinge types and options mentioned in this video. Ives, as well as other hinge manufacturers, offer their pin and barrel hinges in 4 standard lengths: 83 inches, 85 inches, 95 inches, and 120 inches. Generally speaking, the hinges can be cut to the exact length during installation. Ives pin and barrel continuous hinges can hold a door up to 600 pounds. In addition, these hinges are made from stainless steel or steel that is primed for paint. All Ives stainless steel and steel pin and barrel hinges are tested and approved UL 10C for 3 hours, meaning they can be used on fire-rated openings. NFPA 80 requires the length of a continuous hinge to be within 1 inch of the door height. The second basic continuous hinge design is an aluminum geared continuous hinge. These hinges utilize a single gear section for the door leaf side and a separate gear section for the frame side. The two are held in place by a full-length cover channel, and they rotate on a series of bearings. The number of bearings depends on the length of the hinge. For example, an 83-inch hinge uses 32 bearings. The full-length cover channel makes the appearance of the aluminum geared hinge clean and stylish. The cover provides a nice seamless look between the door and the frame. Like Ives pin and barrel continuous hinge counterparts, Ives aluminum geared hinges are available in different mounting types. They are also available in the same 4 standard lengths and can be cut to the exact length during installation. Ives aluminum geared hinges can hold a door up to 450 pounds. These hinges are made from aluminum, and all but one Ives model have been tested and approved UL 10C for 90 minutes. Both designs, the pin and barrel and the aluminum geared continuous hinges, are available with optional features to meet the needs on an opening. For example, electric options are available in many models. Hinges can be provided with through wires to transfer electric power from the frame to the door to supply power to an electrified lock or exit device. Another electric option is a continuous hinge with a cutout to fit the popular Von Duprin electric power transfer product. Like many other hardware manufacturers who strive to find ways to solve customer problems and meet customer preferences, hinge manufacturers are no different. For example, Ives offers 2 models worth noting here. The Ives pin and barrel hinge is now available in a cover model, designated as CS. The cover hides the pin and barrel, giving the CS hinges a similar, seamless, clean appearance as the aluminum geared hinges. And There is now an adjustable aluminum geared continuous hinge that allows for lateral and vertical clearances to be adjusted after the hinge is secured to the door and frame, reducing installation time. While all of these hinges can be used in new construction, this adjustable Ives 157XY model is particularly good for door repair work. Bottom line, while continuous hinges are not as commonly used as conventional hinges, when they are used, they are a hit. Their durability, appearance, and problem-solving designs make them a good hardware choice. To watch more videos, please visit our training page at www.allegion.com/US.